So again, this is the 25 DBE. It is $38,995. Again, $38,995. Okay, let's go take a look. Well, isn't this interesting?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so why don't you go down that end?
Alrighty.
That'll give you a good view. Okay. All right, so I'm in the theater chairs. They're part electric, part manual. The manual is the pull. The electric is the massage and the heat and stuff like that. Okay, cup holders, place to put the remotes and stuff. TV is there in the dinette, above the dinette area, which is a nice U-shaped dinette that can convert down into a bed. Okay. I might as well mention it since we're here. It's just interesting that I'm all but in the bunk.
Yeah. I mean, you could get kicked if you're sitting there, or you could tickle somebody's feet.
I know. Does anybody else feel that's a little weird?
That feels a little strange to me.
Yeah. I mean, there's curtains to close it off, but, you know, I don't.
Yeah. In most bunk situations, the door would be here. I don't know.
I don't. It's weird they put the door there. You know why they put the door? They put the door there so they can get more countertop, right?
Yeah.
Because it's a really, really, really tiny corner. So they have two pop-ups. One there, one here. And so if this was next to the cooking area, which of course cooking right next to the sofa isn't the best idea either.
That is very true.
Right? So, I mean, they're trying. They're trying to be creative and come up with new ideas and be fresh. I think personally that's a miss. Also, there's storage underneath here. And so because of this tight space, it's going to be, you're not going to be able to use any kind of real decent sized bin because you're not going to be able to get it in and out.
No, you wouldn't be able to make that corner.
That turn. Yep. So anyway, these do have cubbies down here and up top for whoever's staying in there for putting stuff. And there's USB charging ports and stuff in there. So, okay. But since we're back here, we might as well do the bathroom. There's the bathroom. And this looks like the standard, to me, the standard Grand Design bathroom, right?
Mm-hmm. Pretty much.
Porcelain foot flush, really good position. It's great for the tall and fluffy. Nice corner vanity that extends around. You've got your cubbies down here. Some models have doors. Most of them have cubbies. There's also storage underneath down here. Okay. And then you've got your corner medicine cabinet right there. And a nice stainless sink, okay? Shower is going to be perfect for someone my size, right? Right. I got 3 fingers above my head, so another 1.5 inches, 2 inches tops, but 1.5 inches. Shelf in the front, shelf in the back, brick pattern. Again, this is, I mean, it's like being at home. And of course, DJ Rob, my favorite thing. Okay.
And a place to put the towels. Now, the cubbies in the bunks have taken up some of the space here.
Yeah, so that doesn't go all the way back.
It does not. Most of them go all the way back. So
those are more for washcloths.
Yeah, you do have limited space for towels.
Okay, so let's do the kitchen area because we sort of touched it.
Yeah, we did. We did.
The extra bump ups help.
That it really does, because otherwise this is your counter space. You know, when you're cooking, yeah, you got a little bit of room back here, but when you're cooking, this is raised, and so you don't really have access to it. So you get a 3-burner stove. You've got an oven over that. We've got a microwave.
Little cubby up top.
Little cubby up top. Some cabinets
up there.
This goes all the way back. And then that, we got a large single basin sink, tall faucet with a couple of drawers underneath, and there's also a drawer underneath the oven there. So, refrigerator and freezer is here. So very nice, and there is a pantry.
Yeah, nice pantry.
So that is nice.
Okay, that needs reinforcing.
Does it? Okay.
A couple pull-out drawers and a big space down there at the bottom.
Yes. Mm-hmm. Yep. So you do have
almost done.
You can put your trash in the big space down below there.
In fact, we're coming this way. We'll do the do-si-do. All right. So here is your queen size bed. There's a separate entrance. I'm actually going outside the RV now, right? Mm-hmm. So separate entrance into the bedroom. Okay. And so you got your queen size bed, which lifts up. Got a little tray in there. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay.
Mirror imaged on both sides. So you got your cabinet here with hanging space, and Lisa has the same thing on her side. You got 2 drawers. Okay. You've got power in cubbies with USB and power on both sides.
And your little reading lights.
Your little reading lights, and you got some cabinets up top.
Yep.
Okay. There you go. So another new floor plan from Grand Design.